Let's have a quick look at the File Manager. File Manager is available from various plugins. For instance, the Carousel plugin here has a link to the File Manager. The image plugin here will have a link to the File Manager there. And the File Manager itself is available at all times on the top bar just here. So let's go and have a quick look at it. Okay, the File Manager will always open in the last place it was open. So here we go, we have 3 images here and a style sheets folder. Now earlier we created our own typography and color. They're now contained in these custom style sheets here. What we can see is I have 3 files that are currently being used on this website. The little eye indicator means this file is not being used. These 2 files are being used because I haven't got the not being used indicator. You can view the files as thumbnails, or you can view them as a list. The list file is useful because it will give you the size of the files. Another funky thing that you can do, I'll just have to come out of full screen, is upload files quite easily on that. So I'm just going to go to my thing here and go to images where I've got some images. Okay, so I'm going to upload this image just by selecting it and dragging it. That's one method of doing it. You can actually you can upload files just by clicking the upload icon here as well. Let's go to videos, images, and I'm just trying to pick ones which I have created for the carousel, which are that one, and that one, and we'll go open. So that will allow multiple uploads by drag and drop or multiple uploads by selecting. Other functions that are can be quite useful is you can create a new folder. So I'm going to have a folder called carousel. Create. Now I'd like to move some of the images that I've just created into that carousel folder. We do this by selecting, picking the images that we want to move, using cut, and then go to the folder we want and then paste. And that's put all the images that I put in the home folder there into this carousel folder. The other nifty thing about the File Manager is you'll notice that this flag, you've seen us use this potentially on this website here. So there's the flag. If I quickly go and edit that flag, we'll see that it's got a location of files, and then there's the JPEG. Don't worry about all this at the moment. If I go back to the File Manager, we can see that that's in files. Now, if I select that flag and I stick it into my carousel temporarily, forgot to cut it. So cut it, go to the carousel and click paste, and then come out of the File Manager. If we just do a refresh on this page quickly, so F5, we'll see that the flag is still there. And if I go and edit the flag, we can see that this plugin has been updated with a new location of the flag. So Jolojo File Manager is non-destructive if you move things about, which is a useful thing to remember.